Oh my god, I feel like I'm about to sneeze. Okay, no, it's gone. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this really pretty smoky makeup look. I'm going to be taking you through step by step everything that I do and showing you all the products that I use so you can try and recreate this yourself at home. If you do recreate this at home, I would love to see a picture of it, so feel free to tag me on Instagram if you do. If you would like to see how I created this makeup look, then please keep on watching. I'm going to use the P. Louise base. This is in the shade 0.5. If you've never used this before, I would recommend trying it. It's great if you're using really strong pigments because it helps them stick and it makes them appear way brighter than if you were to just apply it to your eye. And it also helps with fallout as well. Today's video, I'm going to be using the Me, Myself and Mama Mitchell palette again because the shades in here are so pigmented. Today we're doing a very smoky look that's kind of like, it's definitely quite dramatic. You see so many ladies wearing this on the red carpet and it's just such a statement look, and I just really wanted to recreate it myself. I'm going to go in with a black shade called Mafia and I'm going to pack this all over my eye and kind of mark out the shape of where I want my shadows to go. I'm going to do my eyeshadow before the rest of my makeup, just in case I get any fallout on my face, because it's going to ruin my foundation and we really don't want that. You'll be pleased to know that I'm going to be using lashes in today's video. You may have also noticed that I've changed my background. I wanted to add some lights because I thought it would make it way more interesting. And also, my pink wall in my room is my favourite wall. So I thought, why not film my videos in front of it? If you guys would like to let me know what you think in the comments, please feel free. Honestly, doing my makeup is one of the only things that has been getting me through the times that we're in at the moment. If you've never tried this and you're at home and you've got nothing to do, I would honestly recommend you to just try and do makeup because it's so relaxing and it's so fun. Even if you feel like you're not good at makeup, honestly, just practice, try your best and just have fun with it. I'm actually putting black like all over my lid. And yes, I know I look like a panda at the moment, but pandas are cute, right? You know, the big fluffy ones that eat bamboo? Oh my god, I feel like I'm about to sneeze. Okay, no, it's gone. I'm going to switch it up a bit in today's video and I've decided I'm going to do both my eyes on camera. I'm going to put the base on my other eye, and blend it all out and apply black on that one as well. And now we look like a panda! I'm also going to take the black on my lower lash line. Okay, now I'm going to take a smaller brush. This is the M562. I'm going to dip into a bricky brown shade called Main, and we're going to use this to begin to blur out the edges. I'm just using a really light hand. Same on the other side. Now I'm going to take a slightly smaller blending brush. This is the Real Techniques brush. Next I'm going to use a much more cool tone brown, and this is called Monday. And I'm going to blur this out even more. Mainly focusing this on the outer edge. Same on the other side. Using a much bigger fluffy blending brush from Morphe, this is the M441. I'm going to dip into a really light brown shade. This is called Meh. This is going to just really blend out all the edges and make it look seamless. I actually just cleaned my brushes yesterday, that's why this one's looking so clean. So satisfying cleaning your brushes. Once you think it's all smoothly blended and you think you've got them looking pretty much the same, I'm going to go in with that cool brown shade, which was called Monday, with that small brush. I'm going to use this to blur out the bottom lash line. To highlight my brow bone, I am going to be using the Liquid Chrome highlighter drops from Barry M. I'm just going to apply some on the back of my hand. Take a really small brush. I'm going to use this to highlight right underneath my arch. I'm also going to use this to highlight the inner corner. If you prefer to fill in your eyebrows before you do your eyeshadow, then feel free, but I'm just doing it this way around today. For liner, I'm going to be using the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in Jet Black. And I'm going to use this to line my lash line. I just got gold all over my boob. To fill in my eyebrows, I'm going to be using the Precisely My Brow Pencil. This is from Benefit. This is in the shade 4. I'm going to use this to draw out the shape of my brow, and then I'm going to fill it in with powder afterwards. The powder I'm going to use is also from Benefit. It's called the Foolproof Brow Powder. This is in the shade number 3. It comes with a lighter shade and a dark shade. I'm going to use the darker shade. Okay, now that my eyebrows are filled in, I'm going to curl my eyelashes. And then I'm going to apply mascara, and then we're going to put lashes on, which is my favourite part because I feel like it transforms the whole look. Mascara, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise Mascara. I really want to get another ear piercing. I have 2 helix piercings on this ear, but this one's still like completely empty, so I really want to get another one, but I'm not sure whether I should get like another helix one or maybe like one in the middle. If anyone has any suggestions, please let me know. For my lashes, I'm going to be using lashes from Doll Beauty. These are called Jasmine. I'm going to apply these with my Duo eyelash glue, and this is the black one, which I definitely prefer to the white one because you literally can't see it. These are a really dramatic eyelash, so if you were going to wear this eyeshadow look to a party, you're probably going to use less dramatic eyelashes, but I'm going all out for today's video because I just find it so fun. Sorry guys, for some reason my audio decided to cut out and I have no idea why, so I'm just going to speak over it. So for foundation, I took the Revlon Colour Stay foundation. This was in the shade 150. I squirted that on the back of my hand, dotted it all over my face. Then I took my beauty blender and just used that to blend it out. For concealer, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 08. I'm kind of running out of this, I need to get some more soon. Just put this under my eyes. Down my nose. Tiny bit on my chin. For bronzer, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty bronzer in Shady Biz. They've recently come out with the new cream bronzers and I really want to try them. They look so nice because I've never used cream bronzer before and I really want to get some. And I'm going to use this contour brush from IT Cosmetics. Please ignore my hair, it's just so that I can get my bronzer on my forehead. Contour my nose, I'm going to use the exact same bronzer, and I'm going to take a small brush just like this. This one's from Real Techniques. This is called the medium shadow brush, but I'm just going to be using this for my nose contour. To highlight my nose, I'm going to use the liquid chrome drops again. To highlight my cheekbones, I'm going to take the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Moonstone. But mine one's broken. Like, really broken. So I just have to be really careful with mine. And I'm just taking a fluffy eyeshadow brush because I like to use this for highlight. Now for lipstick, I'm going to use the MAC lipstick. This is one of their matte ones, and this is in the shade Reverence. These smell so good. They literally smell like vanilla, and they taste so good too. So this is the finished makeup look. Super smoky, super beautiful, really simple on the lips, because this is mostly an eye look, and then just really nice pretty gold highlight to match the eyes. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun playing with makeup today, and I really enjoyed creating this smoky look. If you do recreate this at home, I would love to see a picture of it, so feel free to tag me on Instagram if you do. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like the video if you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video guys. Goodbye!